Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm here to recommend you the Worx Trivac WG505E 3-in-1 blower. So what is the meaning of 3-in-1? You can versatility to change job with the flip switch to be leaf blower, mulcher and vacuum. There are no tools to switch between tasks. You can blow away debris at 210 mph, then easily change to vacuuming dry leaf at up to 14 gallons per minute. What are you guys waiting for? Let's go to unboxing section. As you can see, the big machine is in front of me and it is with the cutting blade for leaf cutting. Next, this is the lower vacuum tube, which should attach in before using, and this is the upper vacuum tube. The leaf collection bag is included too, and we also provide user manual and warranty card for this too. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, don't forget to give me a like and share this video.